guys, it's Crystal and I am back with another nail video. I'm trying something called the Magic Remover. This is supposed to remove your polish like a lot quicker than soaking off your gel. I ordered it on Amazon. I will put the link in the description of where I got it. But I'm just going to give it a try. This should be like a really quick video. Soak Off Gel Remover works by gently softening the nail color to remove with ease. So I'm just going to go ahead and it's really thick, like a gel type of consistency. I don't even know if you can see it. I'm just going to paint this on and see what it does. I don't know if it's supposed to be like this. It's making my nails tingle like instantly. Ain't no telling what's in this stuff. I'm just painting it on just like if I was polishing my nails. I think my sister said she had tried this and that it did actually work. But I don't know if she tried this exact brand. I literally just typed it in on Amazon and whatever the first one was, that's what I used. Now it doesn't say on the bottle how long you're supposed to leave this on. Like Magic to me is like pretty quick. I'm just kind of going back over doing another layer. I do feel my nails tingling though. Like I feel there's like a sensation going on. So I'm just gonna let this sit for a few minutes. It's been a few minutes. I don't know if you can kind of tell around my cuticle area. It's starting to get a little bit wrinkly. So I'm gonna try to just see if it'll scrape off. I know it is making my fingers a little tingly. They feel really funny. But it is coming off. This is a lot quicker than soaking. So I do like that. Just kind of scraping. Well, it actually worked. That's my pinky. It was probably less than 5 minutes. Hey, I can get with that. Now, I don't know, like I say, I don't know what's in this. I don't even know if it has ingredients on it. I probably should look up what the ingredients is. But, hey, it worked. There's my ring finger off. So I'm just going to keep scraping. polish off on all 5 fingers. Hey, I'm with this. So I'm just gonna go wash my hands, and then I'll just go back with the buffer board and just kind of buff to make sure that the nails are smooth before I polish them. But this magic remover actually worked. The random things you buy during quarantine. So, but that's going to be it for this video. Please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so that you never miss when I post a video. And until next time, be blessed. Bye guys.